Hello everyone, join me as I take on the challenge of building a successful online business from scratch and see if I can do it easily. Achieving online business success easily, it's a dream shared by many aspiring entrepreneurs today, but how realistic is it in today's digital landscape? With the rise of the internet and social media, starting an online business has never been more accessible, but with this increased accessibility comes increased competition, and it's getting tougher to stand out in the crowd. One of the biggest challenges online business owners face is market saturation. With so many people jumping on the online business bandwagon, it's getting harder to find a niche that hasn't already been dominated by someone else. Even if you do manage to find a gap in the market, getting your voice heard above the noise is a struggle in itself. Many entrepreneurs struggle to get their message seen, heard, or noticed by their target audience. Another challenge is the lack of visibility. With so many social media platforms to choose from, it's hard to know where to focus your efforts. And even if you do manage to get your content in front of the right people, there's no guarantee they'll take any notice of it. It's a constant uphill battle to stay at top of mind and keep your audiences engaged. And then there's the issue of credibility. With so many fake gurus and scams out there, it's getting harder to establish trust with your audience. People are becoming increasingly skeptical of online businesses, and it's taken more and more effort to prove your legitimacy. Despite these challenges, many entrepreneurs are still achieving online business success, and it's not just about being lucky or being in the right place at the right time. There are effective strategies and tools that can help overcome these challenges and set you up for success. One of the most important things you can do is to develop a strong brand identity. Your brand is what sets you apart from the competition, and it's what will keep your audience coming back for more. You need to be clear about your values, your mission, and your unique selling proposition, and you need to be consistent in communicating these across all your online platforms. Another key strategy is social media marketing. Social media is where your audience is, and if you're not there, you're missing out. And it's not just about posting content and hoping for the best. You need to have a solid social media strategy in place, one that's tailored to your specific audience and goals. And then there's SEO, search engine optimization. This is crucial if you want to increase your online visibility and drive organic traffic to your website. You need to be optimizing your content for the right keywords, and you need to be doing it consistently. One strategy that has proven to significantly boost your online business success is to focus on building a loyal community. This is where you go beyond just providing value to your audience and you start to build real relationships with them. You need to be engaging with them, listening to their feedback, and providing them with solutions to their problems. When you focus on building a community, you create a loyal following of people who will advocate for your business and help you grow. You need to be willing to put in the effort to build trust and establish credibility, but the payoff is worth it. So what's the key takeaway from all of this? Achieving online business success is not easy, but it is possible. It takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But with the right approach, you can overcome the challenges and achieve the success you're looking for. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to building an online business? And if you want more tips and strategies for achieving online business success, be sure to check out my next video where I'll be sharing even more insights and advice.